Okay, this is just a very quick update of the Letpot Desktop Hydroponic Unit that I did like an unboxing sort of first look at a couple of weeks ago. Now, our seedlings have been in for 14 days. Temperature is currently 22 degrees, which I don't believe for a second because it's damn cold in this dark back room of my office. And I've got the light set to come on 7 o'clock in the morning, go off at 7 o'clock at night. As you can see, pretty much everything has germinated very well, and it's really started to grow in the last 4 or 5 days. The seedlings were, you know, kind of, I wouldn't say they were struggling a bit, but they were very small, and then once they kind of put the roots down, they started to really get going. And as you can see, we've got some red lettuce coming up amongst the green lettuce. Now, the only pot that didn't germinate was this one. And I've actually put 2 lots of seeds in here. And they've just done nothing. But that pot rests on an electric cable, which comes from the pump section. Let's see if we can see it. Maybe it's not. There's I don't know, if you remember from the last video, there's a little section here where there's another pump and your nutrients go in here, and there's a cable comes out of it, and that pot touches the cable. I just wonder whether there's some sort of like electromagnetic interference preventing those seeds from germinating, and that really should tell you everything you need to know about electromagnetic interference. 5G. Okay, so I'll just take one of these tops off. Let's have a look. That one's grown pretty well. And we'll just have a look at the roots. Oh, they're doing pretty well. Obviously the roots have come out the bottom. They're in the nutrient solution. They've really got a good hold now, and they've started to feed. So this is the system 2 weeks in. And bear in mind it is operating in total darkness, other than when the light is on. There's no sunlight whatsoever gets in here. So the growth of these plants is totally reliant on this system. I'll give you further updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time.